Now here we are with Gina, our nurse, and Yolande. She's having Ultherapy, and also we have Shani from Mertz, who is the product advisor for Ultherapy and knows all about what's involved with this procedure. Can you explain a little bit, Shani, what it does?
What we're doing here today is we're treating with ultrasound. It's a very precise, deep treatment. We're treating down to the very structure of the skin layers using ultrasound, which is causing a lifting and tightening effect, which is what we all want as we age, going forward. So,
what areas are generally used with this, Shani?
So generally we're treating the facial areas, so underneath the neck, so the turkey neck, the sagging skin there, the jowl area. We do get a nice brow lift as well, but generally it's a full face treatment, as well as the neck can be involved in that as well.
And these areas are TGA approved here in Australia.
Definitely.
It came through in 2014, which is very exciting. There's also some so-called off-label uses for Ultherapy. Can you tell us about those?
So really it can be used anywhere on the body where we want to create a tightening and a lifting effect.
But it's up to the discretion of the practitioner to do so, because it is off-label. No problems.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what it feels like to have this, Yolande?
Little zaps and no flinching, except when the cold gel goes on.
So it's not painful,
no,
as such, no. And what generally happens with the therapeutic value here? So first of all, they get a little bit of redness, maybe, a little bit of swelling.
A little bit of swelling, a little bit of edema. Generally, it's a no downtime procedure, so most patients will walk out the door and can go back to their work, or it can be a lunchtime procedure. Then basically over a sort of a 3-month period, we see the collagen regenerating, so it does take that long for the process to begin and the wound healing process to kickstart, basically. So after about 3 to 6 months, you'll see a nice rejuvenated lifting effect.
And this is the only TGA approved device which can actually create lifting, is that right?
That's correct, that's correct.
So this fills a gap between non-surgical and surgical for jowl lifting, neck lifting as such, brow lifting. But can it be used in conjunction with other therapies?
Most definitely, most definitely. That's yeah, very doable. It can also be used post-surgery, so people that have had surgery, facelifts in the past, and are wanting a little bit more after that procedure, probably maybe a year or 2 later, they can opt for Ultherapy instead of going surgically again.
And is there anything that can go wrong with Ultherapy?
Not really. There's some minor side effects that can happen, so your swelling, your bruising with some patients, a little bit of redness, but with our trained physicians and technicians, there's really no room for error there.
Well, that's very exciting development. Ultherapy, TGA approved here in Australia.
Correct.
For brow lifting, jowl lifting, neck lifting, and decolletage or chest rejuvenation. Can you tell us about that a little bit, Shani?
So that's a new indication that's just come about. So rejuvenating the décolletage. Here in Australia, we suffer from a lot of sun damage, so I think it's going to be a very popular treatment, and that's something that you can offer your patients as well.
That's terrific. Thank you very much, Shani. Thank you, Yolande, and thank you, Gina. And if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Cosmetic Image Clinics. It's www.cosmeticimageclinics.com.au or 07 3003 4000. We look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.